Welcome to another video. It's Mr. G here. We're going to be pinstriping the rim. A little background on this video. I've done various looks on my Ford F-150, pinstriping, painting, plasti-dipping. Changed it 3 or 4 times over the years since 2020. This video was shot in summer of 2020 when I had done some pinstriping and was considering pinstriping all the rims to give them a red look. And there's a factory look that has red accents, I guess you'd call it. So just for fun, this video is old. I just found it along with a lot of other content I'm going to be pulling out that I shot and even some made videos of and never got posted, which I should have. A lot of F-150 content. So here's one of the videos. Check it out. Maybe get some useful info or ideas out of it. As you can see, the first step, clean it good with rubbing alcohol.
Actually, I already did it once earlier, so whoop, there goes again. Let me fall. We'll see how this holds up long term.
So I actually filmed this like a month ago, and the pinstriping on the rim is holding up just fine. It's not peeling back or peeling away or anything at all, so it will hold up.
Pretty drastic curve. I don't know if I can make that curve or not.
So as you will see, I'm not able to make this tight turn with the pinstriping. I ended up having to cut it. Even with heat, it was just buckling up some. So
I'm gonna make that turn. It's just not possible. It's too sharp. So we're just gonna have to cut it. I'm getting carried away with the pinstriping, or is it a good way to customize my vehicle?
So my plan was to pinstripe the entire rim sections like that. I think that would look good.
Cheesy?
But so far I only did the one section.
Or not? That's a good question. Cheesy or pleasy? Honey badgers. I haven't exactly in mind, but it's not big for now. This might look alright. I don't know if I'm feeling it or not. I just don't like the inconsistency of the space between, like, you got a small gap, big gap. It's enough inconsistencies in the symmetry that it's bothering me. Whereas up front, I'm looking at it daily on the grill, and it's not bothering me.
Here's some example pictures of the trucks and the look that I'm going for, or something similar to this.
Because it's pretty dang good. Pretty dang good. It's time to take these little bottom snippets off. And maybe this is not working either really right here, this lower piece, but I got that one on there, so I'm gonna see it. I'm gonna put one on the other side and we'll see. We'll leave it for now, see how it holds up.
It's just not sticking properly because of the material and the curvature of the truck there.
Alright, well, couldn't find the heat gun, but I got my hair dryer. too much heat.
Do you like seeing the updates to my truck progress and the customizing that I'm doing to it? Please make sure and subscribe. I'm planning on doing a lot more to the truck. I've already done a couple things.
Thanks for watching another pinstripe in the F-150 with Mr. Eddie Gibbs.
I've tinted the headlights and fog lights. And then I got a toolbox and painted it black. Coyote 5.0 V8 with MagnaFlow exhaust.
And there it is, ladies and gents. I'm thinking it needs a stripe on the bottom there. Along this bottom little aired thing. There's a line right there. Get the stripe on that. Now we need one around the forward loader. Around the headlight. Leave a comment below. Let me know what else needs a stripe.
Of course, you can do black, silver, gold. I was thinking black maybe instead of the red.
I think it looks pretty damn good myself. I mean, it's different. And I don't know. What about just doing one of those per wheel? Interesting. I think so. I think that's the key. I think right now, go one per rim. Just a flash of color.
Should I go ahead and do the rest of the rim? Let me know, and I'll do it. Should I stick with the red or switch to black, perhaps? Here's my first attempt at pinstriping the logo, which I already have taken all that off. I'm going to have to pull it off and do it right if I'm going to do the logo. The badge, I mean.
That's going to conclude the video. Let me know what you think this time about the rims. Leave it. Yes, no, maybe. Should I change the color, make it black pinstripe, silver pinstripe, dual silver, dual black, dual red? Should I leave this? Should I pull it? Continue, add more, take away? Should I pinstripe the bottom there? Have I overdone it? Should I just do the outside, or should I just left the three parts of the grill, or should I run the lines all the way across? Have I done too much, too little? Let me know. Should I do around the fog lamps? Should I do around the lights? I'm going to tint them first. I already got that. Do I need to do all the 4 other tires? Should I just do one tire? One rim? But yes, thank you very much for watching. Do I need to put a pinstripe on the muffler, on the exhaust tips? Ah, yeah. Do I need to pinstripe around the tail lamps in silver or blue? Do I black them out too? Do I need to put these lights on, the LED bed lights set I got?